All right, we're back here working on the old 86 Buick Grand National here. And just a little trick. I always have a problem getting out the number 6 spark plug. So we got 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. The 6th one is the one in the back if you have the AC box still in, which I do, and we're over here. So problem, okay, you're going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket. Actually has the 3/4 inch socket or wrench end on it. So we're going to stick this in. See if I can get that in there. There we go. Then we are going to get a nice little swivel head ratchet. Set it like this. 3/4 inch socket. For everyone that didn't know this, this is the way to do it. Then you just put it on there, bend it up like that, and turn. No more killing yourself anymore. How's that for you? Take that out. Put your hand in here if you can. And that's it. Piece of cake then. Yeah, it took me a long time to figure out what's the best way to get this freaking spark plug out. And I think we're finally getting there. And then putting it in is exactly the same way. And hopefully I don't drop anything right now. And there we go. Spark plug. Pretty good. So, there we are. 5/8. Has a 3/4 inch on the end. And one of these. And a 3/4 inch socket right here. Piece of cake. Alright, hopefully that helps somebody working on a GN. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye.